Carinya Select Bi-Fold Door is a premium solution for those seeking superior functionality and style in the alfresco area of their home. The Carinya Select Bi-Fold come in either top or bottom rolling. Top rolling is most often used in new builds, while bottom rolling is ideal for retrofit. The bottom rolling doors have no need for a structural overhead beam, as all the weight is transferred to the bottom of the door. The replacement of old sliding doors is the perfect application. The Carinya Select Bi-Fold system is packed with a multitude of performance features, such as flat sill options for smooth accessibility and a retractable screening option for insect protection. There are a number of bifold door configurations available to suit your individual needs. A complete range of glazing options are available to cater for energy, acoustic and BAL 40 bushfire requirements. Carinya bifold doors can be made to flow inwards or outwards and have a single opening door or access panel for easy passage when the doors are closed. The Carinya Select Bifold has been designed with hardware from the start. Locks and flush bolts blend seamlessly with the extrusion for a professional finish. The standard lock options include our Australian-made Kalara furniture, combined with Lockwood's proven Optimum Mortise lock. Kalara Extra furniture allows for an internal snib option with lock indicator and a choice of 2 or 4-point locking on the active panels. Custom flush bolt guides remove visible fixings from the extrusion face, allowing better sealing while giving a clean, visible surface. The bottom rolling bifold system features the innovative Centaur F2 F3 hardware and can take panel weights of up to 80 kilos. The top rolling bifold system features the Alspec commercial grade E2 Centaur hardware for up to 60 kilos per panel. This has been used and proven over time in commercial projects. The Carinya bottom rolling bifold has 3 sill options. All 3 options feature a concealed angled track that is protected by a gasket for smooth operation of the doors. The standard sill is used for the majority of installations that require resistance to water penetration. Where the door is in a protected situation, such as a terrace with an outdoor patio, the low sill can be used to achieve a smaller obstacle to egress. Or, in a certain fully protected situation, the recessed sill channel can be used to maximise ease of access. The Carinya top rolling bifold has 2 sill options. For the majority of applications, the standard sill provides a good access and water resistance. Or, in fully protected situations, the recessed sill channel can be used to provide a good indoor-outdoor flow. The S1E Eco Screen from Centaur is a revolutionary product that retracts discreetly into the frame when not in use. It also provides insect screening and solar control with fingertip operation. Available in 3 configurations: single function system, whereby a screen or blind extends from one side of the frame across the entire opening; double function system, where 2 screens or blinds in one material type meet in the middle of an opening; multifunction system, where a screen extends from one side and a blind from the other, each extending across the entire opening. The solar control blind also doubles as a projector screen. The Carinya Select Bifold also comes in a window option, making it an ideal choice for a kitchen servery. The flush sill allows for a smooth transition when transferring food and drinks outside when entertaining. With a range of configurations, you can seamlessly integrate your indoor and outdoor alfresco areas. If you like where you live, but are not happy with your outdoor area, the good news is you don't need to trade in your home. For a fraction of the cost and stress, your older home may be transformed into something bigger and brighter that the whole family will enjoy. Your builder will assess the existing building structure and identify what will be required to accommodate the new bifold doors. With Carinya bifold doors, the indoor and outdoor areas can be easily united to provide a larger entertaining space. All day long, the interior is brighter and more welcoming.